Hello everyone, it's Bri. Welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a makeup look for you guys, and I am using the Daisy Marquez palette with BH Cosmetics, and this palette is so pretty. This look is definitely out of my comfort zone, but I fell in love with it. I'm actually just gonna do something natural like brown or orange and smoky. But then I was like, you know what? Let me switch it up. I always do brown smokies. I hardly ever do anything colorful. So I came up with this look right here, and I really like it. This palette is super affordable. I got it the first day at launch, so I did get it for $19, and I believe it went up to $23. But BH Cosmetics also always has discount codes, so you can always make sure to use that and get it for a little bit cheaper. One thing that I absolutely love about this palette is that the top comes off like this, and then you can put it in here, turn it into a little vanity, which I think is such a cute idea. I don't know how she came up with it, but the idea is brilliant. So if you guys want to know how to recreate this look, just keep watching. So as you guys can see, I have started one eye off camera, and this eye is already primed with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Set it with the shade Naked. I'll just be taking the shade Karma. I'm taking a Morphe JH34 brush, and I'm just going to start packing that in my crease. Now I'm just taking a Morphe M514 brush, and I'm just blending it out a little bit. Now I'm just going to be taking the shade Passion Fruit. Just going in with the BH Cosmetics brush. It looks like this. I'm basically just putting it where I put the first shade. So the key to this look is to just keep packing it on and blending it out, and you want to repeat this like at least 3 times. So I am going to cut the crease, and I'm just going to take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, just a Urban Decay brush, and then I'm going to look up. That way I know where to place my concealer. So now I'll be taking the shade Naked, and then I'm going to set the part where I cut my crease. I'm going to be going in with the shade Stunt, that shade on the lid. So now going back with the shade Karma, which is the first shade we took, you just want to pat it in here to blend out that harsh line. So now I'm just going to be mixing Madder and Passion Fruit together. And then I'm just going to blend out that a little bit more. I'm just going to go do the rest of my face, and I'll come back. Okay guys, so now for underneath the lower lash line, I am going to be taking Karma and just placing it underneath. Now I'm going to blend that out with the shade Passion Fruit. So I am going to be taking some black liner for the waterline. I am going to be going in with a tiny bit of Madder, which is that black shade, and just putting a tiny bit underneath. So excited for this part. I am going to be going in with the shade Flower, and I'm going to be doing a pop of yellow in the inner corner. Okay guys, so I'm going to pop on some lashes and finish everything up, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This palette is so stunning. Let me show you guys one more time what it looks like. You guys can create so many looks using this palette. I feel like this look is perfect for the springtime. It has a little pop of color in the inner corner, some pinks. It's just super, super pretty. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys would like to see next. Thank you guys so, so much for watching. I will see you all soon.